What if you could make thousands from the financial markets, without trading or learning charts? I used to think only experts could profit, but there's a shortcut: copy trading. Last month, I made $5,870 in profit, without placing a single trade myself. Sign up with my link below to claim your 50% deposit bonus and start copy trading today. I didn't analyze charts or stress over market news. The process was almost entirely hands-off. Copy trading lets you leverage the skills of seasoned professionals so you benefit from their expertise. Think of it like hiring a 5-star chef instead of learning to cook yourself. On platforms like Pocket Option, you can automatically copy top traders' moves in real time. It's a simple, powerful way for beginners to generate passive income. Copy trading means automatically replicating the trades of experienced investors. You pick a trader, decide how much to invest, and the platform does the rest. Platforms like Pocket Option show you leaderboards, win rates, and trading histories. You're not blindly following, you're making informed choices based on real data. It's like buying into a proven franchise instead of starting from scratch. By copying experts, you leverage their years of experience instantly. The best part? Automation removes emotional mistakes. No panic selling or holding on to losers. Trades are executed by the expert's strategy, not your gut. This hands-off, disciplined approach is perfect for beginners. Here's my exact method for earning $5,070 passively. First, I signed up for Pocket Option and went to the social trading section. Instead of copying just one trader, I built a team of 4 to 6. Focusing on those with consistent results and lots of copiers. I split my investment among them. Once a week, I'd spend 15 minutes reviewing performance. I'd drop the lowest performer and replace them with a new, promising trader. This weekly review keeps your team strong and your results steady. Think of it like managing a sports team. Swap out underperformers, keep the best. That's the whole system: diversify, review, and adjust. Simple, effective, and repeatable. Diversification is the secret sauce. By copying multiple traders, you protect yourself from any one person's bad week. Even top traders have losing streaks. But with a team, losses are often offset by others' wins. This smooths out your returns and reduces risk. Your job is to manage your all-star team, bench underperformers, bring in new talent. Diversification plus active management turns copy trading into a smart, calculated strategy. That's how you build reliable passive income. The best part? Managing your copy trading portfolio takes less than 15 minutes a week. Log in, check your trader's performance, drop the weakest, and add a new one. The platform automates the trades. You just make small adjustments. It's not a second job. It's a set-and-forget system with a quick weekly check-in. Compare this to other side hustles that demand hours. Here, you leverage experts' time, not your own. Your capital works for you in the background. This is the ultimate work smarter, not harder approach. Minimal effort, maximum potential. Start small. Just a few $100s is enough to test the system. Prove it works for yourself, then scale up as you gain confidence. Add more capital or reinvest your profits to grow faster. Compounding turns small gains into big results over time. My $5,070 month was just one milestone. The system scales as you do. The process stays simple: weekly check-ins, reinvest, and watch your passive income grow. You don't need to change your routine. Just let your money work for you. The path from your first $100 to thousands is clear and achievable. You've seen how copy trading works, why diversification matters, and how little time it takes. The only thing left is to start. Procrastination costs you potential growth. Every week you wait is a missed opportunity. You don't need to be an expert or quit your job. This system is designed for busy people who want results without stress. My story isn't a guarantee, but it proves the concept works. Anyone with internet and 15 minutes a week can try it. Open an account, pick your team, and set a reminder for your weekly review. Start small, experience it yourself, and see the results. The sooner you begin, the sooner you build your own passive income story.